KAIZER Nation and all football lovers, welcome to Mlexi Entertainment. Here we just discuss things that have to do with KAIZER Chiefs. But today I'm not discussing anything. I just want to show you this. Please take a look.
Now, what do we do back in the days is that I would say the Balani.
Nice ball slipped through here. Gaston Serino with a cutback. Chelsea, Flavio!
That's Serino, and he doesn't do much. He just clips it back, and that's where a striker should be. The Silva, making sure he takes it the first time properly. But what a cutback from Serino.
I was going to say that the Chiefs players also ran towards him full of lagas. Of course, 12 matches and we see, or rather, only two of it. Let's have a look at this run first from the man of the moment, Flavio da Silva. Teasing his marker.
Work the ball to Magawana. In from Serino. Silva! Super sub!
In today's game, exactly what he did against Golden Arrows. He tracked back and then went forward to connect with that ball, and he made sure that he plays.
They'll drop down to 12th because Richards Bay. Hang on, let's have a look at this. Gaston Serino could be a chance here to set up. Oh, chance now for Silva to make it 4. Da Silva puts the goal and touch on it for KAIZER Chiefs. And now he's taking his tally to 4. As he points out today, his surprise is.
Are you still following? Stay tuned.
Box, picking up the pieces, but Serino does exceptionally well. The turnover in that midfield quickly drives.
Tally to 4.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. KAIZER Nation, danko.